Hi, I'm Brendan Howe here with your TDCNet Tech Tip, giving you tips and tricks on how to use technology more effectively. This morning I had a pop-up that came up on my phone and it said I was running out of space and my backup was failing. This made me start thinking about data protection and backup with our mobile devices. It worried me in my case because I have lots of photos, videos. I use my tablet, I use my phone to store documents, notes, all sorts of important things. And the backup is critical because if my phone got lost, stolen, or got damaged and didn't work, I wouldn't have that data. It would be gone. So it's super important. Now, we've gotten a little bit used to, I think in the last few years, that our IT guy, our IT company does our backups. They back up all the data on the server, they watch it, that sort of thing. In the mobile device world, the responsibility is on you. You need to make sure that your tablet and your mobile device is being backed up. So what I want to do is I want to take a little bit of time today and show you how you can do it. Whether you have an iPhone, an iPad, an Android device, a BlackBerry, doesn't matter. There are ways that you can back it up and protect your data. So I'll start with iPhones. They're the easiest of the three to back up. Apple's made it super easy with iCloud. So all you need to do is you need to activate iCloud on your phone or your tablet. And the way that you do this is you go to Settings, you pick iCloud, choose the applications or data that you want to back up. You don't want to back up every application that you have on your phone or iPad because it's just going to take up tons of space. But the ones you want to back up your document, you want to back up your photos, your videos, that sort of thing, to make sure that they're constantly backing up and that that data is protected should you need it. Once you've done that, you go to Storage and Backup, and then you click to turn iCloud Backup on. It will ask you to do an initial backup, and there you go. Now you're allowed 5 gigabytes free as part of the service. What happened to me this morning is I went over 5 gigs. I had too many photos and videos and stuff like that. So I had two choices. I could have either just paid for additional storage, or I went through and deleted some of the videos that were on there to free up some space. Now, if you have an Android device, there's some different options for you. It's not as straightforward. It's not quite as simple as if you have an Apple device. So the options you have is, number one, you can plug your phone into your computer. So you can use a USB cord, plug it into your computer. Your phone will show up just like an external hard drive. You take all the documents and you copy them over onto your computer, and then you have them all backed up. Now, the problem with this is it's a little bit manual. Right? You're going to have to remember when to do it. You're going to have to do it kind of yourself on a weekly basis or a daily basis, depending on how many documents you have. There's some other options. There's some apps out there. There's one called My Backup Pro. There's one called AirSync. You can download them and they'll wirelessly sync your device and back it up. And you won't have to do it manually yourself. You won't have to remember it. The other option is you can use Google services like Google Music and Picasa to back up your photos, your videos, that sort of thing. So there's another option for you. If you have a BlackBerry, there's a different way of backing up. If you have an older BlackBerry, you download BlackBerry Desktop Manager. If you have a new BlackBerry like a Z10 or a Q10, the Z10's like this one, you would do is you would download software called BlackBerry Link. You install it onto your computer, and then you plug your BlackBerry into your computer using a USB cable. Go to Settings and click Backup Now, and then you do a backup. Again, it's a manual process. If you want to do it automatically, you need to have a BlackBerry Enterprise server, a BES server, in the case of BlackBerries, and then you can do it wirelessly. But the bottom line here is you need to make sure that you're backing up your wireless devices. No matter what kind of wireless device you have, make sure you're backing it up. There's too much data, there's too much important data, especially in the personal side of things. If I lost all the photos and videos of my wife and son, it would be horrible. So I want to make sure that things are backed up, and I want to make sure that you're backing up as well. So there you go. There's your TDCNet Tech Tip. I'm Brendan Howe, giving you tips and tricks on how to use technology more effectively. Go back up your mobile devices and have a great day.